Second is the best.
I swear I'm not crazy. I'm not one of those sociopaths you hear on the news. You know, the ones who snap and mow down an entire movie theater audience with an M16. I've never even fired a gun before. I was raised in a well-off suburban town. I didn't have abusive parents or a traumatic death in the family that scarred me for life. I swear I'm not crazy. The sequence of events that occurred on October 17th was perfectly justified. I was the victim in this situation, and like any threatened animal feeling helpless and in danger, I acted.
Yeah, how you doing? What are you up to today?
I'm going to the city to see my mom. How about you?
It's Thursday. They need me up in Honesdale.
Okay. Have a good day.
Bye.
I loved her from the moment I met her. She completed me. And I completed her. Why she did this to me, I'll never know, but I did what was necessary for our love. She made us impure. I couldn't allow that. I swear I'm not crazy.
Yes, I